Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to hide and show home screen search button in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on home screen and app library. And here you can hide and show home screen search button. If you want to show search button on your home screen, then turn this button on. Show on home screen, turn this button on. After turning this button on, you can see the search option on your home screen. And if you want to hide your search button on home screen, then simply open settings and then turn this button off. Show on home screen button off. After turning it off, you can see your search button will be hide. So this is the way to hide and show home screen search button in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.